welcome back to my channel. My name is Louis Ihuefo. So in today's video, from the title, we already know what we're going to be doing. So here are some of the products I'm going to be using, and I have their names and a few details displayed on the screen. So before I start, I like to put paper just as seen in the video because I don't want the product to get on the floor and mess the place. So I'm going to also get my apron and then cover up because I wouldn't want the bleach to touch my shirt. And this is the hair we're using as a sample to guide us, when we're coloring or rather bleaching the frontal. So I'm going to go ahead and cover my mannequin with a plastic bag. So this is the frontal we're working with. It's a 13x6 frontal. It's from my baby, my new brand, Bloom It. So you guys, this is 100% human hair. So as I also show you guys how to bleach, I am going to be testing this hair. Like, we're going to test run it together so we can see, the quality of the hair. So I'm going to use my T-pin to secure it on my canvas block. And then after that, I'm going to get the hair again and then place it on it. So we're going to be looking at where we're going to, start putting the bleach from. When I'm doing this, I also like to, give a transition from the darker area to the lighter area, so it's like an ombre, and when you get it so well, it is really beautiful. So that's what I'm going to be showing you guys how to do today in this video. So I'm going to get my hand gloves and then put it on. So I'm using this because I don't want any irritation on my skin, and then I'm going to get my mix plate and my mix brush and then put some of the products in plate and then stir. So when I'm doing strands, I like to do thin paste. So the reason is because I just want it to get into the hair without any hassle. And then for knots or frontal installation, I like to do thick paste because by the time the product oxidizes, it's going to go all over. So you guys, the bleach powder plays a crucial role in the hair bleaching process by performing the following functions. First is the oxidization. When mixed with a developer, it creates a chemical reaction that releases oxygen, which lifts the hair color. And then secondly, pigment removal. And for the cream developer, it is used in the hair bleaching process for several key reasons. First is activation, which we talked about in the other one. So the consistency, which is the creamy texture, and it helps to create a smooth, easily applicable mixture that adheres well to the hair, ensuring even coverage. So the third one rather, is the control. It allows better control over the lightening process as different volume, for example, the 10 volume, 20, 30, or even 40. I like to use the 40 volume because the reaction is not so fast. So this determines the strength and speed of the bleaching process. So lastly, it's the conditioning. Many cream developers contain conditioning agents that help protect the hair during the bleaching process, minimizing damage and dryness. So that's why I'm going to be using it to comb the hair. And after application, I'm going to walk it through with my hands so that everything can get into the hair. And then there's something I like to do when I bleach. I like to also comb so the hair doesn't tangle when I wash it. And it also helps for the product to circulate into the whole hair.
I got hustles in like 80 ways. Kids if you won't take a lazy day. Wifey on me told me take a break. I keep going to the paper straight. Then it's trips out to Montego Bay. If I take the job, bet I get it done. I said it before, I'm a 101. I just caught some ones, only wearing ones. Fornicate the funds, money made me calm. Diamonds on your neck, bet they on your neck. You want that watch, you better rock a tech. You want that chain, you better cop a vest. You want the check, but can you make it stretch?
So we're going to be using the foil. The reason is because it just helps to retain the heat And then secondly, for separation, it just helps to keep the sections of the hair separated and prevents the bleach from bleaching another part of the hair. Then the third one is the isolation. So foil isolates the hair being treated, which helps to maintain control over the process and avoid untended bleaching for nearby hairs. Then the last one is the efficiency. So by keeping the bleach in close contact with the hair and preventing it from drying, the foil ensures that the bleach remains active and effective throughout the processing time.
Real hustlers don't sleep. Cat naps all week. On a mission for the green. I've been at it since a teen. No pillow talk, no tea. Out the way, keep it cheap. Shawty told me she a freak. Whap whap, straight E. We go forever and ever. You know that I'm a trendsetter. You wish that you can do better. No, no, I won't let her. We go forever and ever. I go and create the pressure. You wish that you can do better. You wish that you can do better. We go forever and ever. You know that I'm a trendsetter. You wish that you can do better. No, no, I won't let her. We go forever and ever. I go and create the pressure. You wish that you can do better. You wish that you can do better. We go forever and ever. We go forever and ever. We go forever and ever. We go forever and ever.
So if you're watching this video up until now and you're yet to subscribe to my channel, what are you waiting for? Please go ahead and subscribe and join this amazing family. And also don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you always be the very first special person to be notified. So once I am done with this, I'm going to fold it in to the foil just as seen in the video. So now once I cover that, I'm going to set my alarm for 15 minutes because like I said, we're still test running, we're trying the hair. So I am going to quickly clean the table because I really don't like my place messy when I am working. Facts though. So I actually checked this 3 times before I washed it because I didn't want it to burn. So I'm trying to pull the hair to see if it's going to break, and then this is really smoky. We're going to wash this out, and after that we're not going to throw away the water. We're going to leave the hair in the water. So I actually left it till the next day, and this is going to help, give that very natural tone. So we're not going to just have like black hair and then a blonde tip. So this is going to give a very nice transition, because remember when I was putting the bleach on the hair, I had to extend it slightly into the upper area. So you guys, this is the result. Now I'm going to leave it in the water. So by tomorrow we're going to see the changes from yesterday. Okay, so we're back. It's another day. I am going to get a clean bowl of water and then put the frontal into it. You guys can see what we have here. So it's really looking natural. So we're going to wash it out. So when you're washing out the bleach from the hair, please wash it as many times as possible until the water is clear. The reason is because if you leave this product in the hair, the bleach I mean, it's going to keep bleaching the hair. So once I'm done with this, I'm going to get my purple shampoo. So the shimmer lights just help to take out the brassness from the hair.
Away from them toxins, I'm going places, I'm gassed up, ain't no limitation. Headed where that tree in that weather, got my melanin popping, whip with the leather, the softest. Motherfucker, humble brag. I'm bad boy with that cash, ready to spaz. I splash the dash, digital rap. They mad niggas trying bite too hot to handle. I ghost ride it, I pilot phantom. My mind ain't yet hit its prime. They ask me when I'm quitting. Decline to answer, I'm unbothered, I'm kind-minded. But fuck a body in the way, cause I've been moving at a rate where any day the fuse gon' burn out, then I blow up, then we go up, tell a hater, so what? It's in my veins, I'm cold-blooded and function, I'm flawless, I'm manufactured different. They carbon copy
So the conditioner just helps to soften the hair cuticles and then leaves it, shiny and smooth. And that's it for today's video. I hope it was really insightful and you guys really enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're yet to, and also give this video a very big thumbs up. Like my other videos, watch them, share them with your friends, because like I always say, sharing is caring. Also, don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you always be the first to know whenever I post a video. So is there anything you'd want to see here on my channel? Please do leave it in the comments below, and I promise you guys I'm going to come through. So I love you all to the moon and back, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.